Hey, this is Patter. I'm the CEO of the Wellness Enterprise, and I had an experience with Nano Soma yesterday that I want to share with you because it helped me understand it better. Before I do that, I just want to spend a second talking about who we are as a company and what it is that we're intending to do for you. So over the years, as our evolution has moved through structured water and water filters and cosmic tower and various nutrients, we have come to understand ourselves as a company that helps you feed yourself with life force energy. Basically, it is our belief that there is a energetic field that underlies all of life, and that it is the interaction with the energetic field that is the most important determinant in what happens in your life. And so you might be driven by the desire for pure water, and then find out it's the energetics of water that are most important. And when you take care of that, your life is a lot more supported. So to that end, we carry this product called Nano Soma, which is a nutrient made of polycosanol, which is an ingredient that is essential for the whole functioning of the human biology. And while it's a simple ingredient, it's been engineered out of our diets, and that's why it's so important to put it back into our lives with Nano Soma. Now, one of the ways that I determine whether something is a product that we'll continue to offer and expand with is how the crowd and the community respond to it, because I think the most important measure of what we offer is, does the product cause an improvement in people's lives that they report their life gets better because of that? And we receive a lot of reports of people enjoying Nano Soma and sticking with it and feeling like it has contributed to them achieving a higher state of wellness and well-being. So for me, since we first learned about Nano Soma, I've been taking it, I can't quite say every day because then occasionally I miss, but as close to every day as I've ever taken with any supplement. And the taking of it is as simple as getting the little spray bottle and taking 5 sprays. That's it. So I do that, and I do that at least once almost every day. And I just know that my being's really aligned with doing that, and that my community's really aligned with doing it too. And I feel well. I haven't gotten sick once or had anything since I got it. And then yesterday I had something really interesting happen. I was in the woods in Maui, and I was collecting some different leaves and flowers to bring home to have a little display of nature in the home. And I came across a leaf with a rather thick stem. I didn't know it at the time. It's called elephant ear. And I didn't have anything with me to cut it, and I just decided to reach down to the bottom of the plant and bite right through the stem. And it had kind of a pleasant sensation up front, which was a lot of water. And I thought, oh, maybe this is going to be good. And then my mouth started stinging, and it felt like I had like poison ivy bubbles all around the outside edges of my tongue and a little bit in the back of my throat. And I would say I definitely went into a shock response, and I very pointedly got myself out of the woods and headed home. And as soon as I got home, I sprayed 5 sprays of Nano Soma in my mouth. And I went from this very hyper-focused, take care of myself, survival-based energy to calm and quiet. And there was an alleviation of the pain. And I pulled out my phone, and I read on my phone, I typed in, poisonous plants Hawaii, and I found elephant's ear, and discovered that it has little crystals in it, and those crystals can cut, and that was what I was experiencing. And so I knew it wasn't, in high quantities, it can be something that can lead to death, but I just bit into it. And then I had some fresh guava with me, so I didn't have any water at that moment, so I took the guava and I put it in my mouth and I swirled it around and then spit it out. And then when I could, I got to a stream and I washed out my mouth that way. So this shock response and this painful thing was just immediately calmed down. But the most noteworthy part for me is that I went from this state of shock to this calm, and there was such an obvious thing. The only intervention I did when I got home was the Nano Soma. And so it's one of the first times I've had a direct experience with it where I know it impacts my whole physiology. And I've believed that it has, and I know that I always want to take it, which is a sign of my guidance that makes me feel good. But actually feeling that so specifically and poignantly made me want to make this video for you and suggest that you contemplate using Nano Soma in stress situations. If you have a stressful response to something, give it a try, and let us know what you're experiencing about Nano Soma. We love your feedback, and we're going to keep pushing forth and educating about the things that give us all the most life force energy. And this is one of those things that we feel really great about. So thank you for being part of our community and being interested in life force energy and being interested in the Nano Soma.